Welcome to the vlog. He was crying, so I got down here with him. And if you can hear talking in the back, I'm about to do my makeup, but I'm listening to a Nipsey Hussle interview because I always listen to his interviews. As you can see, my hair is blonde. I will show you guys what I did to get my hair this color. I did it myself. Super surprised. Don't mind these towels, they need to get washed. But super surprised that it turned out so well, because if you know me, you know I cannot do hair. That's why I don't have any. But I am about to shoot some content. Today has been productive so far. It's Sunday. I usually don't really pressure myself to be productive, but I cleaned my living room. I still need to take some boxes to the dumpster. So I cleaned. I read a little bit. I need to read some more. I made a blog post. My website is suredaisy.com, and I went to the grocery store, so it's really off to a good start. I'm about to shoot some content so that entering a new year I can hit the ground running and not be like all over the place. I want to be more strategic and planned out. So about to do my makeup to shoot some content, and that'll be that. So you guys will see my little Sunday situation. Welcome back to the vlog. I just finished taking some pictures of stuff I'm about to put on my website. I'm about to go take some boxes down to the trash. My baby's father is making us some chicken in the air fryer.
Just some food.
Why is it just some food?
That's just some food.
It's some good ass chicken in the air fryer. That's what it is. So we ain't gonna really do nothing for the rest of the day because we're losers. Just kidding, we're not losers. We just like to chill. So we gonna chill. We're probably gonna rewatch this episode of Power, or we're gonna rewatch this movie named Soul on Disney Plus, which you should watch because it's pretty good and it got black people in it. Well, black animated people. So I think that's pretty much it for the day. I'm about to edit this vlog and that'll be that.